Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I have Wuben flashlight X2 with high CRI Samsung LEDs. It was kindly sent to me by flashlightgo.com, thanks to them. And as always, I'll post link where you can find it in video description. Hello, today we have Wuben X2 flashlight. First I'll show you the box. And we have two options with OSRAM LEDs. It's 2500 lumens and high CRI Samsung LEDs, which is mine, 1800 lumens. We have some information. You can pause the video if you need. And mine is color white. Here we have the manual. We have the strap. It's 3-in-1, so strap / charging cable. Here you have USB to USB-C. And also it's a ruler in centimeters. Very interesting and convenient thing. And also we have red diffuser. I'll show you later how it looks, and also photos how it looks in the dark. So we have the flashlight. Batteries are already inside and it's a pack, so you cannot change them. You have to order it, I think, from the manufacturer, and it's held by 4 screws. So the manual says that you should not unscrew it, and also here it says do not disassemble. Here we have the hole for the strap or for lanyard. 3 LEDs, orange peel reflector. We have metal clip here. All flashlight is made from aluminum, I guess. It's not written. Here we have magnetic cover for USB-C charging port, and also the button and LED near the button showing you when it's charging or it's fully charged. So that's how it looks. Now let's see how it works. First, one click to turn it on, hold to change modes, double press turbo, or if you turn it off, also double press goes turbo. Strobe warning, triple press gives you a strobe, and that's it. Also, it has 3 modes which you can adjust for yourself. So to adjust the mode, you have to go to that mode and double press. On second you hold 1, 2. And now back. And also it blinks when it reaches bottom and top parts. Now let's see how it works with diffuser. It's medium mode. And the shape of the beam itself. So guys, that's it about the flashlight. Now let's move to nighttime shots and see how it performs in the dark. See you there. mėlymas. Hope you enjoyed those nighttime shots. So now let's take a look at runtime graphs. We see that this flashlight has brightness stabilization on all modes. And what's good, that my measurements were exactly or close to the specified measurements and runtimes. As always, I'll post a link to video description where you can find those graphs. I hope you enjoyed watching my review. So some final words about it. So first of all, I like this cable slash ruler slash lanyard. And second, I like that they included the red diffuser, not the white one. Because if I want to use a diffuser, I want a cozy red light. So big plus for that. Now the biggest downside, and I think it's the only downside of this flashlight, is that it uses batteries which you cannot replace yourself. And it's a pack, so I don't even know where to order them. I hope it works for those 5 years. And it says that the warranty is for 5 years. So I hope it works for at least 5 years. I like that they decided to go with Samsung LEDs. They are quite strong LEDs with high CRI. So I think it's enough for this size. 1800 lumens are fully enough. Pocket size, you have the clip, arc oxidation. I think this flashlight has everything it needs. Also it has brightness stabilization. And what do you expect from the manufacturer like Wuben? It's, I would say, high-end manufacturer and high-end flashlight. Pocket EDC flashlight with high output, high CRI and stabilized brightness. Also, kinda good battery life. And you have everything you need to use the flashlight inside the box. I would say very nice flashlight for those who need bright light, small size and comfortable to hold, with charging possibility, water resistant. Good flashlight. So that's it, guys. Thanks for joining, and don't forget to like and subscribe if you like what I do, and see you in next review. Goodbye, thanks for watching.